So you know where we going. Oh, it got vacuum in here. Why are you taking the vacuum out back? What do you got? Oh. Come here. I came out here to play with you. Gimme. You're so spoiled. Haha. No, down. I don't want to get attacked. I guess you can see. Say hey.
Yeah.
Hey.
Hey now. Ow! Not meant to be a with my bright socks. Wow! Wow! You will jump really high if you don't pay attention. Ow! 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 You're a no good dog. Every time you're in my videos, it's gonna be no good dog part whatever. How many videos I've make with you? You're such a bad dog. Mr. Grinch. What is this? It's just a giant thing of white cement. My pogo sticks. I'm scared to put the camera down. I guess y'all can see. Let's not kill my phone. Let's see if I can do it with no shoes. That hurts with no shoes. But I guess y'all could see what I was doing. Stop! I gotta clean that up. Stop. Get out of here. Quit being so mean. You need to listen. Get. Oh, dang it. There's mud. So I fed him and gave him water. Where's the trash can? Here. Listen! You dumb dog. Where's that thing that you had right there? Quit doing this. Stop. You drag everything out and don't pick it up. It's your dog. Here's your tennis ball. What else have you tore up? I guess. Ew, it just feels like a wet dog bone. Oh, I gotta pick all this stuff. Why don't you chew on a tennis ball and not these baseballs? Like, gosh. He already broke one of his teeth. Why didn't